Kabanata 34, Passion. I would also like to take this opportunity to... My voice shook a little. Say my apologies to all the lies I purposely spread out. I never claimed to be a perfect mother, but somehow, under those circumstances, I feel like all of what I've done was the perfect decisions to make. Hindi ko na siguro kailangang isa-isahin ang nagawa ko dahil sa ngayon, alam na ninyo kung ano-ano ang mga iyon. I'm glad that despite what I did, your love endured. Amber, Jackson. Now, the only thing I can do is to support you in everything. It will be my pleasure. Amber is getting married to Jackson. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na ako ganoon ka nagulat. Hindi ko naman yun tanggap bago pa lang kami umuwi. Kahit pa pinagdidiinan ni Nikolay na kailangan ko nang tanggapin na maaaring mangyari iyon. Maybe, even though I strongly disagree to it, at the back of my mind, I somehow knew it would happen along the way. Kaya nang ipinakilala ni Amber si Jack kay Jackson, alam ko na agad saan patungo ito. It was hard for me, but I gave up controlling Amber's choices years ago. When I realized that what I'm doing was the opposite of what I want to be like as a mother. I accept you, Jackson Riago, as my son-in-law. Please take care of my daughter and my beloved grandson. As I say, I'm not the perfect mother, but you can always count on me if you have problems. I'll try my best to advise you better. Thank you po. I will definitely take care of my family and I'd like to think you are part of it. I smiled a little and looked away. Minaliit ko ang mga batang ito dati, si Jackson at si Sibal, anak ni Achilles at Alana. I said they're weak and made everything hell for them just because they love my niece and my daughter. Noon, naisip ko hindi ko sila matatanggap para kay Snow at Amber. Maybe, I deliberately painted them as the wrong people for my Snow and my Amber. But are they still wrong people if they genuinely love and respect Snow and Amber? When do I stop stopping them from being happy together? Tumayo ako. Sumisikip ang dibdib ko at hindi na kayang patagalin pa ang presensya ko sa hapag. Nagpunta ako rito dahil gustong formal mamanhikan ni Jackson. Hindi na naman kailangan. I can easily tell them to just get married and skip the formalities, but a part of me appreciated that he respected a conservative tradition. Kaya pinaunlakan ko na, hindi baleng magkita ulit kami ni Achilles. I came here to spend time with you, say my apologies, and to let you know that I am happy for my daughter. I said with finality because the way they stood, I feel like they are all stopping me from leaving. Tapos na ang gagawin ko rito. Pinaunlakan ko sila at pakiramdam ko kung magtagal pa ako, hindi ko kakayanin pang maging formal at maging civil. The last thing I want now is to ruin any meaningful and important event on Jackson, Amber, and Jack's lives. Lumuhod ako ng kaunti para daluhan ang mga apo ko, si Archer na anak ni Snow at si Jack. Niyakap at hinalikan ko silang pareho pagkatapos kong sabihin na magkikita pa ulit kami. They both helped me to heal and change, to see them grow with no hatred and only love for the person who almost destroyed the relationship of their parents meant they were raised right. Archer, by Snow and definitely his father Sibal, and Jack, by my daughter, who knew about all of my mistakes, and Jackson, who respects me despite whatever I did in the past. I take back whatever judgment I threw for Jackson and Sibal, at labag man sa kalooban ko, pati na rin kay Achilles. He could easily poison his son's mind to hate me or hate us, but he didn't. He is a good father. I admit that bitterly. Bitterly, yes. In the past years, I nurtured and watered the flower of anger and hatred I painted for him. Para hindi ko makalimutan ang ginawa niya at hindi ako magkamaling purihin siya sa lahat ng naging desisyon niya para sa amin noon. But after tonight, I realized that despite my blatant hatred for him, he raised his sons well, alone, for the past years, and with all the impairment I gave him, from taking him out of the Navy and banning him from all the companies near Costa Leona and the rest of the other provinces. Enjoy the rest of the evening. What did I get from his parenting? He gave me peace of mind. For Snow and Amber, I know that they will both live good lives. They will both be loved and cared for by the man they loved and cared for. It took me a long time to realize that that's what's more important. More than stability and consistency, reciprocated passion and love is important. You live a good life with stability and consistency alone, but with passion, you have inspiration, you have a drive to be a better person, to live meaningfully. You refuse to be stagnant. With passion, you have a purpose. The reason why I thought working will give me purpose. Habang pinaplano ko noon ang birthday party ni Papa, tinanggap ko ang kahit anong pagkakaabalahan, lalo na nang nagdesisyon si Nikolay na bumisita muna sa boyfriend niyang nasa Germany. You look so regal, walang pinagkatandaan at klase talaga tingnan pag ikaw ang nagsuot. Sabi ni Amelia habang pinindot ang next sa sunod-sunod na pictures ko. Because I am putting together a grand party and meeting up with the country's best brands, organizers, and associates, I am suddenly so talked about. I took that as an opportunity to find what will interest me now that we're back. Bukod sa parties na dinadaluhan, pumayag ako sa ilang appearances sa philanthropic activities and features for brands like this. I didn't mind the attention. In fact, I am enjoying it. Minsan, naiisip kong walang pinagbago. I age, but the adrenaline of media attention and all that still excites me. Grabe! If I have known, I invited you na sana for my lingerie line. Natawa ako. Amelia, leave that to the young ones. I allowed her to put together a team for me for a photoshoot. Para raw iyon sa portfolio ng anak niyang aspiring photographer at estudyante ni Marcus. Amelia is into designing lingerie and swimsuit after she put up a perfume company. At bukod sa dati ko siyang kaibigan at mahirap tanggihan, Marcus surprisingly called me to accommodate his student. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa final leg ng 3-day shoot na flexible ang schedule ayon pa sa free time ko. Your son has talent. Tumawa ako. Don't give me all the credit. Napatingin ako sa anak niyang nakatitig sa akin at ngumiti na rin. I smiled at him. I only tore my eyes at him when my phone rang. Tiningnan ko yon at nakita na si Nikolay ang tumatawag. I sighed and tied my robe properly before I excused myself from the team. Lumapit ako sa upuan para sa akin, kaharap ang malaking salamin at may mga makeup artist na abala sa pag-aayos ng mga gamit. Hello? Sagot ko sa cellphone. I smiled at the assistant who gave me coffee and some flowers. Kumunot ang noo ko at tiningnan muna ang mga bulaklak bago inamoy. Binasa ko rin ang nakasulat. The assistant put up some gifts in front of me and a new note on top of it. Hindi ko pa tapos basahin ang note ng bulaklak kaya hindi ko muna inungkat ang mga iyon. Any updates? I can't wait to see you. A. I looked at the signature for a while. Something crossed my mind that I immediately put the flowers down. Nothing. Sagot ko kay Nikolay. Humalakak siya. Well, as for me, I found you new season things. Want to see them? Sure. Sabi ko habang tinitingnan ang mga regalo sa harap. He then sighed. You seem very down. Galit pa rin ba si Snow sa'yo? Natigilan ako at naalala ang huling nangyari bago umalis si Nikolay. Bumisita kami kina Jackson at Amber. Bago sila tuluyan nagdesisyon na magpakasal, ganoon ko nakita silang lahat. Sa penthouse ni Jackson, kasama ko si Nikolay. Agad akong inatake ng mga tanong at paninisi at alam kong wala akong karapatang magalit o husgahan sila sa mga iniisip nila sa akin. Bumuntong hininga ako. Hindi Nikolay, I'm busy reading notes. It's not about it. You just really allow them to misunderstand you like that? Natawa ako ng kaunti. Misunderstand me? They are right, and I don't deny it. I did awful things in the past. But you had your reasons. But was it enough to lie and make them believe that Amber is with someone else? At na may anak siya sa ibang lalaki? It's okay, Nikolay. We both know the reasons, but I'm not going to try and change their minds because I also know what I did was wrong. Iyon ang laging itinatanong niya sa akin mula nang umalis siya. Hindi niya siguro mapigilang maisip ang nangyari kaya lagi akong kinukumusta. Paano nangyari ito, Tita Marem? Wala akong narinig sa'yo noong wala kayo kundi ang kwento mo tungkol sa masayang pamumuhay ni Amber kasama ang lalaking iyan. Mariin ng titig ni Snow kay Nikolay sa matinding galit nang sa wakas nalaman nila na si Jack ay anak ni Amber at Jackson. at na hindi naman talaga nag-asawa si Amber kay Nikolai. Of course, they are all angry at me and also disgusted with Nikolai. For years, they thought Nikolai is a dirty old man, wanting younger woman to be his wife. Hindi pa kasali dyan ang mga usap-usapang hindi namin parehong mapabulaanan noon na kabit ko siya. I know. I was already sorry. You see, Snow, Amber already forgave me for it. Amber, I already heard what really happened on that day on Castellana from Jack's explanation over the phone, but I want to hear it from you. Totoo ba ang lahat ng iyon? My eyes darkened as I watched Achilles' furious eyes as he looked at Amber. The years were unforgiving for me and my past experiences. Kahit anong gawin kong pag-iwas sa pamilya niya, para akong pinaglalaroan ng tadhana. Kung sino pa ang ayaw ko nang makaharap, siya pa ngayon ang kailangan kong pakisamahan. I still can't believe it, but I know I have to accept it. That Snow is married to Percival Riego, Achilles' eldest, and now Amber to Jackson Riego, Achilles' youngest. Funny how life has its own way to mock me. Iniisip ko minsan, parusa kaya ito? Ano bang nagawa ko bago to? Sinikap ko namang magkaroon ng maayos na pamilya at tahimik na buhay. Yes, I may be ruthless before Amber, but when she was born, I tried my best to be calm and content with everything. Dahil ba naging malupit ako sa ibang tao, lalo na sa mga anak niya, kaya ngayon ganito? I suddenly feel guilty and ashamed for thinking that this is a punishment. Maria Emilia, it's been years and yet you're still so selfish. You label this as a punishment when your niece is happy where she is and your daughter finally at peace? What happened? Totoo bang nakunan, Jax? O gawa-gawa lang ni tita? Natawa ako. If this can't be called a punishment, then what is it? I wonder. Nakunan ako. Hindi namin alam maging ng doktor na twins ang meron ako. Jack twin was gone but he remained. Sa Manila ko na lang nalaman na ganoon nga at palabas na kami ng bansa. I then purposely didn't tell anyone. All this time I thought you got married and had a son privately. Then later I realized that Tita here wrote the scheme to let everyone know lies. Si Snow. Pero hindi ko kailanman naisip na si Jack ay anak ni Jackson. God, I didn't even know his name because Tita Maram refused to say so. I heard rumors but you lied to me and denied it. Natawa ako dahil inaamin ko ang lahat ng pagkakamali ko noon. Will I do it again? Yes. Bakit? Ano ba ang dapat kong ginawa noon? Ang hayaan si Amber sa mga kamay ni Jackson na halatang immature pa at wala namang ibubuga noon? Amber was still a teenager. Bukod sa malaking balita iyon dahil anak ko siya, hindi ko kayang isipin kung ano ang maidudulot sa kanya ng ganoong klaseng buhay. If it was wrong, then it is wrong. But for me, it was the best that I could do. Rant all you want, Snow, but I'm just protecting my daughter. Who would have thought that Jackson will immediately accept Jack as his son? Jack is a spitting image of me and my son. Only a fool won't believe it. Galit na sigaw ni Achilles. Nag-iwas ako ng tingin at nilapag ang table napkin sa lamesa. Tiningnan ko si Jackson at si Amber na tahimik at kalmadong pinagmamasdan ako. Well, then, I'm sorry again, Jackson, Amber, Iha, Snow, Achilles. Apparently, my good intentions that time weren't good enough for your better judgment. Huwag nang isali si Nikolai rito dahil ako naman talaga ang punot dulo. May kasalanan din ako. Si Amber na halatang gusto akong salbahin. Save your explanations, Amber. We all know I did most of it all, so I'm sorry again. You robbed my son years with his child and all you do is spit your half-hearted sorries, Maria Emilia? Achilles' voice thundered. Papa. Si Jackson na pinipigilan si Achilles. I think it was the longest eye contact we had for years. I can almost feel his fury towards me. At hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit bahagya akong nayanig sa nakita kong matinding galit. There were mixed feelings that I didn't want to acknowledge. Umuwi na lang yata ako sa gabing yon, hindi ko pa rin maintindihan kung bakit ganoon. Pinilig ko ang ulo ko para maibalik sa usapan namin ni Nikolai ngayon sa cellphone. I know you hate explaining yourself, but sometimes I hope you do. I smiled and didn't say a word. By the way, what's your schedule for today? Tapos na ba ang shoot? Bumuntong hininga ko at nagdesisyon na sabihin ang totoo kay Nikolai. I'll be meeting Armando later. What? Alam ko magugulat siya dahil hindi ko naman din nakwento sa kanya bago siya umalis papuntang Germany. He offered me a business proposal back in New York. Oh, akala ko ba ayaw mo magtrabaho? Ayaw mo ba talaga magtrabaho o ayaw mo lang sa Castellona? Oh please Nikolai, huwag mong lagyan ng meaning ang mga bagay-bagay. I'm not saying that I'm working. I'm saying that I'll meet Armando to check out whatever he has to offer me. Hindi ko pa sinabing papayag ako sa anumang business na iyon. Sigurado ka ba ang business ang offer niya? Bakit sa titig niya noong sa New York, iba ang nakikita ko? Do you want me to assume that it may not be business instead? Paano kung business nga? Paano kung hindi? Nikolai, you know I'm so bored here. If I return to New York, I'll die of boredom. The party's preparation is over, and once it's done, wala na akong gagawin. Jackson and Amber's wedding will end fast too. So what will I do? Manage the coast. Putol niya sa akin na pinutol ko rin agad. Not even an option to me. So I'm meeting Armando, whatever you say. Mamaya pa naman talaga kami magkikita ni Armando, pero dahil nasa malapit na ako, minabuti ko nang mauna na roon. I read the Manila Peninsula's menu. Ilang beses na akong bumalik dito noon para sa business meetings at iba pang bagay, kaya ang pag-upo rito sa restaurant nila ngayon ay natural na lang sa akin, hanggang sa nalaman ko ang totoo. I'm sorry ma'am, the machine won't take this card as well. Sabi ng manager pagkatapos kong ibigay sa kanya ang pang-anim kong card. Napakurap-kurap ako. What? Is your machine offline or broken? Ngumiti ang nahihiyang manager. No ma'am, it's perfectly working. Perfectly working? Then why are my cards not accepted by the machine? Try them again. Giit ko kahit na unti-unti na akong nanlamig. Napatingin ako sa paligid at naramdaman ko ang pagtataka at panguusisa ng mga taong nandoon. May ilang pang pamilyar sa akin. Uminit ang pisngi ko sa kahihiyan pero pinilit kong magmukhang mapagmataas. Don't tell me Amber finally did it! Alam kong madalas kaming mag-away ni Amber dahil sa pera. She's earning all right, while I'm not. I spend a lot for pleasure, but I also make sure I invest. All the things I buy from the auctions are investments. Kahit iyong painting nakabibili ko lang galing sa isang sikat na painter. It's a twin painting of the one that she bought some years ago, and in time, it will be worth more than how much I bought it because of its rarity and value. Kinalma ko ang sarili ko. Medyo bumibilis na kasi ang paghinga ko habang unti-unti kong naiisip na kaya walang tinatanggap sa cards ko dahil tinotoo na sa wakas ni Amber. Hindi niya magagawa sa akin to. Sigurado ako. She's all warning but of course, she'd never let me shame myself like this. Ma'am, card denied pa rin po. Balik ng manager sa akin. Napatingin ulit ako sa paligid at mas lalong nahiya dahil talagang lahat sila nakatingin sa akin. I'm not even imagining it. Everyone seems very interested. Nakita ko pang may dalawang nagtawanan. Hindi ko nga lang makita kung sino ang mga iyon dahil mas abala ako sa pagpapanik dahil hindi ko mabayaran ang ininom ko at ang mga kakainin ko sana. It's impossible. I laughed a bit, trying to make sense of what's happening and refusing to really believe that Amber cut me off. Could you try again, please? Ma'am, maybe your bank has a problem. In the meantime, it's on me. Kitang-kita ko ang hiya sa mukha ng lalaking manager. Wala namang problema sa akin ang sinabi niya. That makes sense. May sira siguro ang mga bangko dahil iba-ibang bangko ang cards ko. Mas lalo tuloy imposible na may sira ang lahat dahil hindi naman magsasabay-sabay ang maintenance ng mga iyon. Slightly insulted that the manager is paying for me, I tried again. No, don't do that please. I know my cards are working. Try it again. I demanded. Kahit alam kong mas lalong nakakahiya kung bumalik siya rito na wala pa ring nangyayari, sumugal ako. Dahil hindi ako naniniwala na talagang pinutulan ako ni Amber. Nagdalawang isip pa saglit ang manager pero kalaunan umalis siya para gawin ulit. I'm sorry ma'am, but don't worry. How about this one? Sabay turo ko sa pinakamalakas na card ko. Imposible talaga. Did you try this one? I said with a hint of hope. We tried them all, ma'am. But don't worry, it's on me. No! Putol ko sa kanya dahil naiinsulto ako. I feel like he's pitying me. Kaunti lang naman ang bill ko pero hindi ako makakapayag na ang manager ng pinagkainan ko ang magbabayad para doon. There must be a mistake. I'll call my bank. Giit ko kahit na unti-unti ko nang tinatanggap na baka nga kagagawan ng anak ko iyon. My anger suddenly rose when I realized she didn't even tell me she'll cut me off. Hindi niya ba naisip na araw-araw akong may lakad at baka mangyari to? Nakakahiya! I got it. May narinig akong nagsabi sa likod ko pagkatapos kong ilagay ang cellphone sa tainga para sana tawagan ang bangko. Naibaba ko ang cellphone ko nang nakita ko kung sino iyon. My mouth dropped open and my heart jumped. Blood boiled, mistaking him for someone else. Saglit nga lang yon. Natapos ang kaba ko ng isang buntong hininga nang agad na rumihistro sa akin ang pagkakaiba nila. Magpoprotesta sana ako pero naubos na ang pasensya ko. Hindi ko na kayang panoorin ng mga narito na nakikipagtalo pa sa kung sino pagkatapos malaman ng halos lahat na hindi ko mabayaran ang kakarampot na in-order dahil rejected lahat ng cards ko. Where are you going? Perseus looked like Achilles. At one glance, you'd think they're the same person. Lalo na para sa akin dahil ilang taon na rin naman kaming hindi na nagkita ni Achilles at sa nakaraang nagkita kami, saglit lang yon. Pero nakuha ko agad ang kaibahan ng dalawa kanina. Even with a cleaner haircut, same height and body, he had friendly eyes. May kung ano sa mga mata niya na iisipin mong parati siyang nakangiti. O siguro dahil mas mahalubilo siya kumpara kay Achilles. I'll pay you back, I said slightly surprised that he intervened. Hindi ko alam kung naaalala niya pa ba ako. I've seen him again after our first meetings, but we didn't have any close encounters. Ngayon lang. Pero siguro naman hindi niya ako tutulungan kanina kung hindi niya ako nakilala. Nakakagulat lang na kilala niya pa ako pagkalipas ng maraming taon. Can you pay me back through a date now? I snapped and looked at him. Ang mga mata niya ay nakangiti. Hindi ako sigurado kung nagbibiro ba siya o nakikipagkaibigan. Umiling nga lang agad ako at nag-iwas ng tingin. Hindi ako makatagal ng tingin sa kanya. No, I'll pay you in cash or give me your account number. Mataman kong sinabi. Nasa likod na ng isipan ko na hindi ako pwedeng magtagal dito ngayon dahil nagngingit-ngit pa ako sa galit sa ginawa ni Amber sa mga cards ko. Oo, at magkikita pa dapat kami ni Armando. Pero mamaya pa naman yon at may panahon pa akong sugurin si Amber at bawiin ang cards ko. Mamaya, pati sa pagkikita namin ni Armando, wala akong maibayad sa pagkain ko. No, it's okay. No, I'll pay you. Sabi ko at hindi na kayang magtagal pa doon. Kinuha ko ang notes sa hapag at mabilis na nag-scribble ng numero ko at lahat ng contact details kung saan pwede niya akong singilin. Here, this is my contact. Just call me and send me your account. I can't stay for long. I need to talk to someone. Ibinigay ko kay Perseus ang note. Tinanggap niya naman yon. Kinuha ko ang bag ko at naisip na magbigay ng tseke kahit gaano pa kamura ang order ko. Kaso kung tatalbog naman dahil sa accounts ko, walang kwenta rin. Or I'll find a way to give the money back. Thank you. Sabi ko sa kanya bago saglit nang umiti at nagmadali nang umalis. Mabibigat ang bawat hakbang ko habang naiisip ang kahihiyan. Inaagaw pa ng pag-iisip na talagang naabutan pa ako ni Perseus na ganoon. At dagdagan pa ng kagagawan ni Amber ang lahat ng nangyari sa akin kanina. I never thought that this moment would lead to something that I didn't really like. I told you I'll pay for that painting eventually, so stop the freezing and be sensical, Amber. How, Mommy? I told you to just manage the coast. Help out Tito Ramos and Snow. You have the talent for management, so why don't you put that to good use? Hindi naman talaga kami nag-usap ng masinsinan ni Amber tungkol sa nangyari noon. Bukod sa naninindigan ako na hindi naman yun mahalaga, wala na sa akin yun. Ayaw ko na ring isa-isang balikan ang bawat detalye ng lahat. I am happy with our lives. This is not a perfect life right now, but I think I lived my life to the fullest with her, with a family. So what was the point of recalling the details of the past to her like that? Ayokong bumalik sa Castellana. Why? You don't have a reason to not go back. We both know that. We both know why you don't wanna go back to Castellana, pero wala na siya roon, clearly. Kaya ano pang dahilan mo, Mami? Unless gusto mo rito dahil alam mong nandito siya? Namilog ang mga mata ko at madiin siyang tiningnan. Alam kong alam niya naman ang tungkol doon at hindi ko siya masisisi kung madali niyang nababanggit iyon dahil hindi niya naman alam ang buong nangyari. Pero hindi ko kayang akusahan ako na parang sobrang apektado ko pa rin, na iyon ang dahilan kung bakit may mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin. At sinabi niya pa yun sa harap ng mga anak ni Achilles at posibleng si Achilles din nakikinig. Ayaw ko nang malaman pa at inisip ko na lang na narinig niya ngayon. Para akong hinila pababa. Galit lang ang nararamdaman ko para sa kanya pero parang ipinahiwatig na naduduwag akong umuwi ng Castiglione dahil sa galit na yon at lubusang nakakainsulto para sa akin. It was as if the anger and loathing that I have for him controlled a part of me. Maybe it did. Maybe it really did. Hindi ba kaya ka naman tutol kay Snow at Sibal noon dahil anak ni Achilles si Sibal? You use Sibal's weakness and mistakes to find a reason to hate him more. And convince Snow to hate him more. Hindi ba iyon din ang rason kung bakit kahit tutol ka rin kay Jackson at Amber? Palilipasin ko lang ang party bukas. Don't worry, Iha. I will pay for the painting and I will definitely put my talents to use. I said meaningfully because I want to laugh hysterically from my anger and some of my realizations. A sudden flash of my major life decisions from years and years ago hit me like a bullet train. Hindi ba umalis ako ng bansa dahil nagpakasal siya? Hindi ba bumalik ako dahil akala ko pwede na kami? Hindi ba noong nalaman ko na hindi kami pwede, nagpakasal ako sa iba? Hindi ba noong nalaman ko na hindi totoo ang pinaniwalaan namin, bumalik ulit ako sa kanya? At hindi ba noong inulit niya sa akin na hindi niya ako tatanggapin, ibinigay ko ang sarili ko sa iba? I immediately crushed all those thoughts to oblivion. The deeper anger and resentment for myself and for everything filled my chest. Hindi ko matanggap at hindi ko tatanggapin yon. It happened in the past. The next years, I'm a different person. But for Amber to suddenly slap me with her deduction of my decisions, it pulled me back to all of my decisions those years. Naglakad ako palapit kay Amber at hinalikan siya ng marahan. Kumain ka muna, Mami. Ipapatawag ko si Jack. Nasa family room with Philly. I'll meet someone in Manila Pen later. Kailangan ko nang bumalik. Babalik na lang ako next time at mukhang busy kayo. Sabi ko at casual na sinulyapan ang paligid. Nandoon nga si Achilles, iminuwestra ko kay Jackson ang pag-alis, pero hindi ko kayang balingan si Achilles para gawin ang pareho. Lumakad ako at pilit na inisip na lang ang pwedeng gawin para sa pagkain namin ni Armando mamaya sa Manila Pen kahit wala akong card. A firm hand suddenly pulled me and stopped me on my tracks. Ngayon, tuluyan ko nang binalingan si Achilles sa malamig na titig. Binawi niya ang kamay niya at binitiwan ako pero natigil na ako sa paglalakad. Magkano ang kailangan mo? Hindi ko na inisip na nakikinig si Amber at Jackson sa amin. Ayaw kong magkaroon ng eskandalo kaya kahit na unti-unti na naman akong nagagalit, pinigilan ko ang sarili ko. He asked me that question. It was as if a slap for me. In the past years, I belittled his sons and his family for being poor. I know I did those things to them, but still, I used it to my advantage. Now, for him to ask me how much I need is a hard slap for me. Not sure, but a one-way ticket to Germany is fine. Bawi ko dahil alam kong iyon ang hindi kayang bilhin ng pera niya. Alam ko na kahit bilyon-bilyon na ang pera ni Achilles ngayon, hinding-hindi niya mabibili ang hinihingi ko. A smile, cool and evil smile, crept on my lips when I saw the fury on Achilles' eyes. Susundan mo pa talaga. If you can't afford to give me what I want, don't ask me again. I said before I went out of Jackson's penthouse. Recalling how I felt about Amber's words made me realize something. Pinagmasdan ko ang pagkikita ni Papa at ni Señora Domitilla Mercadeja sa engranding birthday party para kay Papa. I supervised the organization of the party and it was very publicized. It was the party of the year. Though selected media covered the glamorous party, it still retained its class and eliteness. We invited the Riegos and the Mercadejas. Every associate, family friend, far relatives were invited. How are you? The next generation enjoyed it so much. Do you know Yuri, Amber? To hear them enjoy meeting everybody made me think that whatever I've gone through planning this party and attending it tonight was worth it. You should check on Kuya Ramos, Mon. Does it still affect him when he sees Agnes? Si Athena sa kabilang lamesa na nag-aalala. I took a wine from the passing waiter as I looked at how everyone is doing on the party. Sumimsim ako doon at natanaw na bumaling si Señora Domitilla sa akin. A small evil smile is on her lips while I gave her a cold indifferent look. Papa's hearty laugh tore our eye contact apart. Michelangelo, talagang pinangalan sa paborito mong sculpture, Darius. Bati ni Papa sa nakatayong matandang lalaki sa tabi ni Andres Zaldarriaga at Cassandra Hidalgo. Sabi ko nga, bakit hindi na lang pinangalan ng buo sa akin? Darius Vicentius is a good name. Anito, I didn't have a son, so I was hoping he'd take that name after me. For my next son then, biro ni Andres. I saw how Yuri Hidalgo was talking to Amber when they were suddenly called by Cassandra Hidalgo. Sumunod si Jackson sa kanila dahilan kung bakit napalapit din si Achilles sa grupo. I was watching their crowd and Achilles found my eyes, but behind him, Senora Domitilla was keenly watching us both. Nag-iwas ako ng tingin at ibinaling ang titig sa ibang tao bago unti-unting lumapit kung saan. Pilit na binaon ang sarili sa napakaraming nagkakamustahan hanggang sa nasigurado ko na walang nakakapansin sa akin bago tuluyang lumabas at naghanap ng tahimik at walang taong balkonahe. It was a cold night but the wine made me slightly feverish. Ilang baso na rin kasi ang nainom ko bago pa nagsimula ang party. Kaninang umaga pa lang, umiinom na ako. I feel like I need it to calm my nerves, especially after what I realized yesterday. The party only proved it, how people move on from grave experiences like that. Napaisip tuloy ako na sobrang hina ko ba para mahirapan ng ganito sa pagpapatawad at paglimot. Alam kong matagal ko nang sinabi na wala na akong pakialam sa mga nangyari. Na ayaw ko nang lumimot dahil ayaw kong kalimutan ang mga mahalagang aral. Pero alam ko rin na hindi lang aral ang dala-dala ko ngayon. Dala ko pa rin ang sakit, poot at galit. Naisip ko noon na dala ko dapat yon dahil iyon ang kaakibat ng mahalagang aral. Pero I wonder if they were also carrying the same things after forgiving one another. Dala din ba nila ang sakit at poot kahit kaya na nilang pakisamahan ng isa't isa? Were they socializing only for show? Kung hindi, bakit ganito pa rin sa akin? Kung ganoon. I took out a pin from my French twist and let my long hair fell on my shoulders down my back. Hinipan ito ng hangin at agad kong naisip na magandang desisyon na binaba ko yon dahil malamig dito sa labas. Hindi kaya ng iniinom ko. Bakit parang lahat sila kayang-kayang lumimot? Bakit ang hirap sa akin? Mahina ba ako? Ilang taon kong inisip na malakas ako, na kayang-kaya kong ipaglaban ng puso at magparaya kung kailangan. Pero bakit biglang sa gabing ito, ako pa pala ang pinakamahina sa lahat? Dahil hindi ko kayang lumimot at magpatawad? Bored at your own party? Napatalon ako sa biglaang nagsalita at natanaw ko si Perseus, naka-coat and tie at papasok sa balkonahe. Sa isang kamay, may dalang baso ng iniinom at nakangiti na naman habang pinagmamasdan ako. I didn't smile back though. I just took a quick glance at the garden in front of me before I decided to leave. I'll pay you once this party is over. Is it okay if I still want to get paid through a date? Natigilan ako at tiningnan siya. Natawa ako at umiling. I'm not up for dates, Mr. Phillips. Even a friendly one? I didn't know you do friendly dates. Natawa ako dahil alam ko ang reputasyon niya hanggang ngayon. You really think that at this age I'm still not bored with that kind of lifestyle? Natahimik ako dahil alam kong tama pa rin ako. Ayaw ko lang makipagtalo. I'll only accept dinner for the payment. Nagkatinginan kami. Bumuntong hininga ako at unti-unting tumango. If I'm able to see Armando and other people, why not him? Dahil ba kamukha siya ni Achilles? Ano ngayon? Will I let that affect my decision again? No. Fine. Sambit ko at umambang nga alis na. Let's go back together. Aniya at sumunod sa akin pabalik sa party. When we went inside, the people were almost settled down. Kaya madaling naagaw ang atensyon ng lahat sa pagpasok namin. Tahimik lang akong lumakad patungo sa lamesa namin hanggang sa hinarangan ako ni Jack. Lola, why is your hair done now? And why are you with Lolo Perseus? Ngumiti ako at naupo para mag-level ang titig namin. It was cold outside, Iho, so I let my hair down and I forgot to put it back. I'll put it back later, alright? Tumango si Jack at bumaling sa likod ko. Alam kong tinitingnan niya ang nakasunod sa akin. I wanted to go straight to our table, but after that talk with Jack, I paused when I saw Achilles staring at me. At nasa lamesa namin siya mismo, sa tabi ni Papa. Achilles' cold eyes wavered behind me. I looked at Jack, who greeted Perseus behind me as well. Ayaw ko mang lumapit sa lamesa namin, wala na akong magagawa sa ngayon. At isa pa, wala na dapat akong dahilan para umayaw. Lumakad ako at pinilit ang sarili na ibaling ang tingin sa ibang bagay, kahit paramdam ko ang diin ng titig ni Achilles sa akin hanggang sa nakaupo ako sa lamesa. There were a few glances from Señora Domitilla, who was also on our table. I also caught her staring at Achilles and smirking, and Achilles, for the whole of the program and the party, kept looking at me almost every minute. Ayaw kong makisalamuha, kaya lang ako ang nag-organisa ng buong party kaya hindi ako tuluyang makatakas, gustuhin ko man. Tapos na ang program at muling nagkamustahan at sayawan ang iba. Tahimik kong pinagmamasdan ang mga bisitang abala. I was about to look to my left when Snow suddenly walked towards me. Tita, it's a wonderful party, si Snow. Thanks, Snow, sambit ko at ngumiti. Alam kong may hinanakit pa siya base sa mga huling pagkikita namin. I didn't speak much and I thought it was mature of her to still come to me to praise me. Sinubukan ko ulit na bumaling sa kaliwa nang nagsalita ulit si Snow. Is it safe to assume that if Amber and Jackson will decide to marry each other, tutulong ka sa preparations? Ngumiti ulit ako. If they want me to, then I will. Kahit sa kasaluyan na ang magiging kasal, tita? I paused a bit. Suminghap ako at naalala ang mga naisip. Yes. Marahan kong sinabi bago bumaling sa kaliwa habang sumisimsim sa wine glass ko. Tita, Snow continued talking to me but my attention got caught somewhere else. Natanaw ko sina Jackson at si Bal na kinakausap si Achilles. Achilles is talking to them too, but beside him is Matilda. Perseus then joined them. Kinausap siya ni Perseus pero hindi natanggal ang malamig na titig ni Achilles sa akin. It's ridiculous to still feel nervous, but it would be more ridiculous if it registered on my face. It didn't. I've always been stoic long before, but age made me a master of it. Hindi binaling ang mukha sa ibang banda, mata lang ang tinanggal ko sa kanila at tahimik na pinanood ang ibang tao. So, you can manage the coast? I'll be in Castellana if Amber wants to get married there, not manage the coast. But you need the money to work, right? Nilingon ko si Snow at nakitang may sinanya siya kay Sibal at Jackson at guilty pa nang nahuli ko. I looked at her with nothing but indifference. I don't know what they're up to and I'm not interested. Asen is having so much fun out there. Naputo lang isasagot ko dahil nakalapit na pala si Sibal sa amin. Bumaling ako sa kanila at natanaw na ang buong pamilya pala ang nakalapit. I only glanced once to confirm their whole crowd, then sipped on my wine again and looked in front. Hayaan mo na. Ma'am, Jack enjoyed so much. Sumulpot na rin si Amber sa gilid ko. Ang dami palang halos same age niya. I smiled a little at her. I was just asking tita if she'll manage the coast, si Snow. Sa gilid ng mga mata ko, nakita ko ang sabay na pagbaling ng magkapatid na Riego sa akin. You will? Masayang sinabi ni Amber. I will not. Malamig na sinabi ko. The coast in Castellana? I've been in Castellana. Gusto ko tuloy bumisita ulit. Uuwi ka ba, Achilles? The voice of an intruder to the crowd echoed. I am the host of this party. But it'd be nice to call it a night before everyone else. Kaso, hindi pwedeng ganoon. Ano ang iisipin ng mga bisita kapag nandito pa silang lahat tapos hindi na ako mahanap? My hosting is rusty but I know the basic etiquettes. Dito lang din ako. Marami pa akong gagawin. Achilles' calm voice slightly triggered something inside me. Siguro dahil sa mga nagdaang pagkikita, lagi siyang galit. Ngayon ko lang narinig ang pamilyar na kalmadong niyang boses. I refused to think about it for more than a minute. I shook those thoughts away and thanked my papa's nurse when she called me. I excused myself happily from their crowd and I got away. Just like how I stepped out of their crowd that night, Walking out of their crowd felt liberating for me. Alam kong pamamanhikan ito ni Jackson para pakasalan si Amber at tanggap na tanggap ko na ang lahat. Pero siguro naman ayos na ang pagdalo ko at ang pagpapahayag ko ng saloobin sa kanila para umalis ng tuluyan. I decided to forgive Achilles for everything that he's done. But above all, I also decided to forgive myself to all those sudden and thoughtless decisions that I've done. Naintindihan ko ang lahat. Dati ko nang sinabi to pero nagtanim pa rin ako ng galit. Sa pagkakataong ito, iintindihin ko ang lahat at puputulin ko ang halamang inalagaan ko ng maraming taon. I said I couldn't let go of it so I won't forget the lessons. But sometimes, some lessons are not worth keeping. I said that it was better to marry for convenience because love will fail you. Someone will screw up eventually and you can get hurt. Ang mga taong gusto kong pangaralan noon, pinakita sa akin na maaring tama ako pero maaring mali rin. At gaano man kalaki at posibilidad na tama ako, isusugal pa rin nila ang puso nila para sa posibilidad na mali ako. Na minsan magkakasakitan kayo pero kung mahal nyo ang isa't isa, hindi kayo kailanman mabibigo. I said that young love shouldn't be valued, but then again, there are young love that's true and enduring, like what they have now. I said that security, stability, and consistency is greater than passion. But then again, they can have a bit of all of that, and that passion give us purpose. Purpose give us life and happiness. What they have is true. It didn't happen to me, but that doesn't mean that it can't happen to them too. I smiled a little and went inside the elevator. Humarap ako at pinindot iyon. Sa kalagitnaan ng pagsara, nakita ko siya.